Good morning mga ka-inspired. So our topic for today is root canal treatment. So it is indicated kapag ang sira ng ngipin, ang caries ay umabot na sa pulp tissue. So ang ngipin natin ay may several layers. First would be the enamel. This is the outermost layer ng ngipin. Ito, yung puti. Yan, nakikita natin externally sa isang healthy ng ngipin. The pearly white structure of the teeth. Next would be the dentine. Ito yung yellowish part of the tooth. Much softer than the enamel. And third would be the pulp. Ito ay soft tissue, the living tissue inside the tooth. No, kapag ang sira ng ngipin ay mabot na sa pulp, ito ay nabubulok, ito ay namamatay, at nagkakos ng abscess, ng inflammation, at ng pain, discomfort sa isang pasyente. Siyempre, kapag ganun na ang scenario, options would be tooth extraction, we pull out the tooth, or we do root canal treatment. Now, ano ba ang ginagawa natin sa root canal treatment? First is we do access preparation. Binubutasan natin ang occlusal area o yung ibabaw na area ng ngipin for front tooth sa likod. Sa likod natin siya nilalagay. We drill a hole kung saan may papasok natin ang ating mga dental files. And dental files natin are these files right here. Iba-ibang sizes, meron 31 millimeters, iba-ibang length at diameter. Mahaba, kumakapal. So ito yung pinapalinis natin. Yan, mahahaba siya. The dental files. We call the cleaning and shaping of the pulp chamber and root canals biomechanics. So the goal of the root canal treatment is to clean thoroughly the pulp chamber and the root canals. Malinis maigi simula sa ibabaw hanggang sa ilalim. At to create a tight seal sa ilalim na kung saan hindi magsisip in ang bacteria na magkakos ng reinfection at reinflammation. So pagka gano'n, sasakit na naman ulit. So another problem na naman. After cleaning and shaping, ginagawa natin is we fill the pulp chamber and the root canals by what we call gutta percha. Yan. So gutta percha is a thermoplastic material na kung saan ito ay nilalagay natin sa nalinis natin na mga canals. No? Root canal treatment is iba-iba. Merong ngipin na isa lang ang canal, usually the anterior teeth. Pero nowadays, medyo nag-evolve na rin ang dental anatomy. Kahit ang anterior teeth ay nagkakaroon na ng 2 canals. No? Kaya mas medyo watchful ang dentist when doing root canal treatment. Ang mga premolars, usually 2 canals, 3 canals, molars. Ito yung mga 3 to 4 canals. Siyempre, mas madami ang canals, mas complex, mas difficult i-access at hanapin yung mga canals. At siyempre, mas nagiging mahaba rin procedures. At medyo mas nagiging expensive din, siyempre. Mas nagiging difficult yung procedure. Advantage of doing root canal, obviously, is you get to save the tooth instead of pulling it out. Siyempre, kapag ang ngipin ay yung binunot, meron mga consequences when you pull a tooth. Pwedeng ang katabi niya ay mag-drift towards the space. Pwedeng ang opposing o ang katagpong ngipin ay bababa o aakyat. So, nagkakaroon ng disharmony with the occlusion. Another would be jaw problems. Kapag marami na masyadong posterior teeth, mga ngipin sa likod ang nawala, nagkakaroon ng problems sa TMJ. Maaari rin mangyari yun. Another would be unpleasant smile. Siyempre, pag bungi yung harap, hindi tayo makangiti. Pag nagkasalita tayo, tumatawa, tayo ay nako-conscious at nagtatakip ng bibig. So, yun yung mga consequences, some of the consequences of tooth extraction or tooth loss. Kaya, yun ay ang indication ng root canal. Siyempre, if you want to save the tooth, if it's still savable, then we can do it. So, siguro, few pointers lang. Paano ba natin nasasabi na savable pa o pwedeng gawin yung root canal treatment? So, siguro isa ay structural integrity ng ngipin. Kung ang ngipin ay restorable pa, pwede pa itong pastahan, pwede pa lagyan ng post, pwede pa lagyan ng crown, then we can still do root canal treatment. Another the consideration, syempre, cost. Especially when posterior teeth are involved, medyo mas nagiging mahal yung treatment. Some more considerations if we're planning to do root canal treatment is periodontal integrity. Kapag muuga na yung ngipin, yung bone level, pinagkakapitan ng ngipin ay medyo mababa na. So, medyo baka hindi na rin worth it kasi eventually kahit i-treat mo yung loob niya, kung yung surrounding structure niya naman is compromised. So, sayang lang din yung treatment. So, yun lang. If you have questions, inquiries, feel free to message our Facebook page, Always Inspired Dental Clinic, or drop by at our clinic. And if you know someone na kailangan ng idea or considering root canal treatment, you can share it. You can share this video to them. So thank you. Have a blessed day, everyone. Ingat kayo palagi.